Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Fashion Nova and signing in. If you don't have an account, create one now so checkout is faster. Have your gift card number and PIN visible from an email or printed card, because you'll enter them momentarily. Once done, check the card balance so you know how much to apply. If the balance is less than your cart total, prepare a backup payment method to cover the remainder. You add items to your cart and move to checkout, making sure the shipping address is correct. In the payment section, look for the gift card field labeled Gift Card or Promo/Gift and type the card number and PIN exactly as shown. Copy-paste to avoid typos. Once you enter it, the site will apply available funds. If the gift card doesn't cover the full amount, make sure to select a secondary payment method to pay the remaining dollar total. You should review the order summary to confirm the gift card amount was applied and see the final charge before submitting. After you place the order, save the confirmation and check your email receipt to verify the gift card was used. If the card is declined, first recheck the balance and PIN, then try re-entering the info. If problems persist, contact Fashion Nova support with your order number and card details.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.